Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. So today we're reviewing this Tonor Condenser professional microphone, which is the best microphone for gaming, for streaming and for YouTube videos for 3 reasons: for the price point, the sound quality and all the accessories that is included as a whole kit for just under £35. So if you want close to professional audio quality on a budget, you're going to be hard pressed to find something to beat this microphone. Hey name tags and welcome, this is Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. On this channel we do tech reviews, repairs and tutorials. Subscribe if you're new here, enable the bell icon notification, and everyone smash that like button for more videos like this one. And also please remember to use my Amazon affiliate links to help the channel out without costing you anything extra. Thanks a million. So I bought this microphone about a year ago on sale for £28, but its current price, its normal price is about £34.99. And no, this is not a sponsored video, bought this with my own money. You won't believe what they've actually included as accessories in this whole kit. So first you have the condenser microphone. You got a pop filter, a wind foam, but not this one. This is from Zoom H6. I've currently misplaced the one that it came with. There is a shock mount, a microphone suspension scissor arm stand, a table clamp, one UK power adapter with 3 pins, one European power adapter with 2 pins, one USB external sound card, which I think it's used for Mac. There's a USB port, and then there's also a microphone in and a speaker or headphone out, and one 48 volt phantom power supply. Yes, this microphone will require phantom power to work. There is a cheaper version of this Tonor microphone which doesn't include the phantom power as part of the kit, and also missing a couple of other accessories. So if you're gonna get it, make sure you get the one with the whole kit, because for just under £35, for the sheer accessories that this kit has, it's completely worth it. The main microphone itself is made out of outer metal casing, so it actually feels quite premium for the price point, and the silver and black is always a classic. It looks nice. This microphone is a cardioid polar pattern pickup mic, which means it's going to pick up sound from the front better than from the sides and from the back. And if you speak directly into it, you should really use a pop filter. But if you don't have a pop filter or whatever mic you're using without a pop filter, then speaking to the side, avoiding direct contact, will reduce the pops. Now the arm is probably the worst thing about this whole kit. It's quite low quality, it's a bit fidgety, it feels very flimsy, and the mount doesn't have a wing nut like on this one. So adjusting the microphone first to get into the right position, and this gets a bit loose, is a bit dodgy. And if I was really bothered, I would get my tools out to try and maybe tighten the bolts there, but I can't be bothered. I've actually found a position that it works for me, so you can either deal with it or get yourself a higher quality arm, or maybe you can mount the microphone on a tripod stand and leave it on your desktop. But for me it's not a deal breaker, because once I've set it up, I don't have to keep moving it about. And the other small gripe about this is the XLR male to female cable is actually passed through the arm itself, so it's going to be difficult to take it out easily, and that plugs into a 48 volt phantom power supply. From there is a XLR to 3.5mm cable that connects straight into the microphone input of my computer. Now the cables are not premium quality, but they do the job. They're meant to be low noise microphone cables, it even says on there, but they don't actually feel premium. I've got another cable which is actually higher quality, so you can always swap that if you want that, because plugging it straight into a computer is going to produce some slight noise interference, electrical ones, and if you're using headphones right now you probably can hear them, but for me they're minor and you don't usually pick them up if you're using a normal loudspeaker. You can also plug the 3.5mm jack into an external recorder like this Zoom H1, and that's going to be better quality audio, or you can get better quality cables, XLR, and plug straight into something like the Zoom H6. This one delivers its own 48 volt phantom power, and you can use this and connect to your computer as a USB interface. You probably will have to tweak the gain input on this and adjust your settings on the program that you're using. I normally use Audacity. But for me, trying to modify or change certain accessories of this kit would defeat the whole point of this price point, because I think it does a good enough job for the price point and for the quality it produces. There are many other things to consider if you want to improve audio quality, like soundproofing, acoustic treatment, recording distance, an audio recording booth, cable quality, using noise reduction in post, and adding some other sound effects. So it's not just about the actual quality of the microphone or the quality of the cable, although these do help. Remember guys, you probably are a YouTuber like myself and you're not a professional audiophile, so relax. Right now though, I do not have acoustic treatment. I did a video, I'm going to put the link up there somewhere or in the description below. I did do some acoustic treatment, but right now I've taken all the foams off because they actually were dropping and I need to redo them. So this, what you're hearing, is an actual real world application of a microphone like this in this normal setup at my desk computer. And I'm actually speaking in front of a wall, but it's behind my screens right now. You've seen my setup. Again, watch the previous videos up there or in the link below. The other small gripe about this, probably if I were to be very picky, would be there is no gain input control on the microphone itself. So you'll have to adjust this on your settings in your computer, or if you're connecting it to a mixer, then there probably should be a knob somewhere to adjust the gain. And also there is no on-off LED button indicator, so please make sure you test your microphone before you do any recording, just to make sure you are capturing something. So I do use OBS with this to record videos and live streaming also on YouTube, and it works fine. And sometimes I also use Audacity directly to record audio. So on my screen now you can see we've got Audacity open and I'm recording audio into it directly. But at the same time, I'm also using OBS to record video and audio separately. So you can have both audio tracks and import that into your video editor if you wish to kind of manipulate them separately. Okay, now my input is at about 90 on the gain, right? And we're recording at 48,000 hertz and 24-bit. And I'm going to give you some silence for a few seconds, just to give you an appreciation of what the background noise is. And there's not going to be any post audio effects into this sample, and hope that's clear. And here's a sample if you're typing on a keyboard. I've got a mechanical keyboard. So in conclusion, I think if you're looking for a cheap microphone that produces really good quality audio, it's going to be hard pressed to find something to beat this whole kit at this price point. If you're just after something that you need to press and record and start producing content, then consider this. There are other microphones at this price point, but you're not going to get the audio quality and the kit accessories that it comes with. I have a few different microphones to review, and one is a free product that was sent by a company, but I needed to compare it to a similar price microphone, and this is exactly the same price point. So that's why I'm doing this microphone review as a first video, but the other one hopefully should come out next. So check out the above link if I've done it by the time you watch this video. If not, it's going to be in the description below. Okay, that's the end of today's video. If you're wondering what to watch next, there's a couple of end screen videos for your convenience. As usual, you know what to do down below. Comment, like, and share this video. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. As always, this was a pleasure. This was Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. Until next time, peace out.